What's going on, everybody? This is Big Chino. You're watching Tropical Jams. Now, today, man, it's been a sad day for Samoa. There's been a big tsunami that happened out there in 6:30 in the morning on September 29th. And we're trying to get a lot of people here together. This church right here on 45th Street, they had their church in the morning about 6:30, and they try to get a fund relief going here. And Kiki Soto is the organizer here, and we're trying to find out, what's going on and what we need to do to help out everyone in Samoa. They're giving out donations right now. People are, whatever you can give, whether it's $1, $2, $50, whatever you can give it's going to help out for the relief in Samoa. There's a lot of things going on. There's people standing here waiting. They're helping out and trying to do their thing to work on this relief fund and try to help out the people from Samoa. It hit Western Samoa and it hit American Samoa. So, there's a lot of people that need help. They have estimated, right now they have a body count of 100 people that passed away, that are deceased right now, and there's more fatalities, and there's more people coming in to help out here. So, if you all can help out, man, it'll be a great thing, man. So right now we're gonna go and talk to some of the helpers and see where we can get more information on what we need to do to help out for this relief for Samoa. What's going down, everybody? This is Big Chino. You're watching Tropical Jams. Now we're over here at the church on 45th Street, and it's a Samoan church. They fellowship together, and they brought everyone together, and we have one of the helpers here for the Samoan relief in the tsunami that they had. His name is Tama. How's it going? Tama Soto, right?
That's right.
How's it going,
right, Sam? Pretty good. Very, very well.
All right. What have you heard, and what family do you, I know you probably have family in Samoa that's been devastated with this big tsunami.
That's right. That's right, Sam. And first of all, I want to thank you for this opportunity that we're able to showcase what we're doing here today. I'm the moderator of the First Samoan Congregational Christian Church here on 45th Street in San Diego, and we started last night with a community leaders meeting.
Great.
We're able to create a task force of the core people that would take the lead on this effort.
Okay.
And yes, to get back to your question, yes, I did check with some of the family members back in Tutuila and Upolu, and most of my families are okay, except a few relatives that are still missing, and we're hoping and that we will get some good news, but we're keeping our fingers crossed, and we're praying for and optimistic about the outcome.
Who do we have here working here with you and doing their thing out here?
We, as a result of that meeting from last night, we have a representative from several organizations here in San Diego. We have the Fa'alima Foundations, we have the Samoan Community Council, we have Pacific Islander Festival Association.
Wow, that's great.
We have the Ola Mokariso Congregation. We have several others that are helping out for this effort, and what we're doing is we're trying to collect funds, which is the immediate needs that they need right now. As far as clothing and food, we've had dialogue and conversation with the Red Cross, and they had asked us to hold off on those clothing and canned food and so forth, but the need right now is money. Supposedly for the next 3 or 4 weeks, there's enough clothing and food on islands, as far as the retailers and wholesalers, and then probably they're going to use the money to fund those needs for right now. And that is the real objective of what we're doing today. We're going to do it as long as we can until probably October 16 or 17. We were planning on having a huge benefit event for this.
Nice. That sounds good. And you're going to try to get bands together, maybe in the groups, to put on a few numbers just to help out for this benefit?
We've already have a handful, if not more, Samoan organizations, dancing troops that are willing to participate on this event. It's going to be a Samoa quake relief effort to benefit all the victims in both Samoa, the independent of Samoa and American Samoa. We're thinking of an event that will be very, very huge and very big, and that is slated for the weekend of the 16th.
Sounds good.
Yeah, and I would also like to say this: some of the credit, or most of the credit, should also go to our pastor, Reverend Fafawina Solomona, and Mrs. Tutonga Matua Solomona, and the congregation for allowing this to take place here on the church grounds, and I think it's a good thing. And we're looking forward to be a big help and a big success.
All right, Kiki, how's it been going so far with the relief and everything?
You know what? It's been awesome. Everybody's just coming together, the great support. Everybody's coming in. We have Fa'alima Foundation setting up logistically.
Wow.
Our canopies, our cones, everything, tables. We have the support of the church here and our pastor and his wife and the congregation. The organizations are here physically to just be here and support. So far, we've collected, I think it's about $2,000 now.
Wow.
So we're very grateful, and we're
awesome.
just trying to do what we can to get the funding out there.
Yeah, all of you out there, please try to help and donate for the Relief for Samoa.
Yep, come out and support. We appreciate it. If you have any questions, there's a number that you can call. My cell phone direct. I'll take all the calls that come in, 619-888-1037, or an alternate number is Alitama Sotoa. You can reach him at 619-921-5547.
All right. Do you happen to have a website or anything that
We're actually working on a website for this, specifically for the disaster relief. But right now, if you can just try to keep checking with the Samoan Community Council.org. We have a website. We're trying to get that updated as fast as we can. And I believe on the internet, Facebook has been a real big tool for us to get the information out.
Man, thank you so much, Kiki, for
Thank you. Thank you, Sam.
You doing this.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
I'm right here standing next to my man Tia Fai'ai. He's from Fa'alima Foundation. What's going on, Tia?
We're doing good, man.
All
We're doing
right,
good.
man. Now, we all heard the devastating news in Samoa, man. How has it affected you guys? Because I know you guys been here all day helping out with the church and everything with this foundation, this relief fund.
Yeah, we got a call from Kiki from the Samoan Council last night, and she's calling on Samoan leaders of the community to come out, and we had a phone call last night. We had a meeting last night, and we brought this, so we made this happen this morning.
Okay.
And we talked about the disaster, and we're just trying to get that information out to the Red Cross, both Red Cross offices in Western Samoa and American Samoa.
Oh, nice. So how's it been going so far since you've been here?
It's been going good, with the foundation. We came out here. We were like the first responders. Came out here, set up the canopies, just made this the command center.
Yeah,
get the word out. We networking with our phones, internet, whatever we can do to get the word out there, so we can get some help and send those funds to our people that really need it up in the disaster area.
All right. How has it affected you guys? Do you have any family members that you heard that are in Samoa that have been affected with this?
Right now, I just hear from my sister that my cousin notified her cell phone and told us that our family are in the mountains right now.
Oh, man. Well, that's really great of you guys to come out here. Fa'alima's always there when people need help, man. You guys are always taking care of everyone. And I appreciate you spending time with us and talking on Tropical Jams. I know it's affected all of us with the thing that this devastating tsunami has happened in Samoa. Thanks to the Red Cross and Fa'alima and the church here, Fa'alima Church. Much love to you guys, man.